I knew I wanted to do something more tactile, something with my hands. When I left my bachelor's degree, I felt like I had all this theory, but I didn't really know how to do anything. But RNS is very much not that. They teach you from day one how to get your hands dirty, get your boots dirty, actually do things to restore the environment and make a difference. Lots of tools to actually run experiments and test hypotheses and make a restoration plan and actually use it. So lots of really practical information.
One of the things I was looking at was remediation, and they just teach you the skills of how to write a report, what kind of things to look out for, how to identify vegetation, what are signs of a failing ecosystem. There's incredible amount of skills that you can take away from this program that it all transitions into real life. So yeah, it's amazing.
Some of the skills you'll learn are definitely applicable in a changing environment, especially when we're thinking of greenhouse gas emissions increasing. The climate envelope is drastically changing here on Vancouver Island. We see that with our western red cedar.
I started the program because I wanted to get more of that practical experience. That's one of the nicest aspects of the RNS program, is that you're able to actually directly apply what you're learning. So you really get to engage with the local environment, and I feel like that it really helps to facilitate how you're learning and then how you're applying that learning into your career or whatever path you end up doing afterwards.
I think that one of the coolest things about the program is that you have to finish it by actually completing your own restoration project, which is something that I think makes it pretty unique. You leave the RNS program knowing that you do it because you have to do it, which is, I think, a great way to go.